going to be another Poshmark Q&A. First off, let's just talk about this sweatshirt. Oh my gosh. I actually made this today and I freaking love it. I might keep it. Just says Delray Beach, Florida on it. It's just like an oversized, really comfortable hoodie. And I think it's so pretty. It was purple and I bleached it and I don't know. I like it. If you're interested in it, it might be for sale in my Poshmark closet, maybe. Okay, first question comes from Karuni Carr. Question for your Q&A videos. I see people say they won't post certain stuff on Posh and will take it to a consignment place like Plato's instead, or they'll send it to ThredUp. How do you know to make that choice? Are there certain brands or what is the reasoning? Not that any consignment store near me is open now, mind you. All thrifting is closed now where I am, but for the future anyway. Okay, so yeah, I see people, you know, do that all the time, and you know, it could be for a couple of reasons. I don't necessarily think it's the brand, unless it's like a higher end brand and they want to send it to ThredUp because they think they can get more money that way than trying to sell it on their own. Maybe it's items that have been sitting in their closet and they just weren't selling, so they know that they'll get money going to Plato's. That's my reasoning. That's what I've done. I haven't sold anything to Plato's because I don't know. I kind of have mixed feelings about Plato's. I think Plato's is a great place to shop. You know, if you're buying stuff for yourself. I think they have great things there, but their prices are like, you know, like like their sweatshirts and stuff, their prices are like what I would sell them for. So I don't go to Plato's unless it's like one of their like 75% off sales. That's really the only time I go there. So yeah, I haven't brought anything there because I've heard like mixed reviews. I've heard some people can make good money and then other people get paid shit. So then as far as ThredUp goes, I actually just sent 2 boxes to ThredUp yesterday or the day before, and all of those items were items that I had sitting in my closet since last summer and they just didn't move. So I'm like, okay, I know ThredUp will give me something for it. It's not gonna be much, I know, but you know, I'm just counting those as write-offs. Did you have any other questions? All thrifting is closed now where I am. That's really scary. So we went down to Pennsylvania last summer and I went to a Goodwill down there, and I ended up signing out for their like rewards card. I didn't realize that like every Goodwill has like different regions. So my Goodwill region is Northern New England. And like my card didn't work down there because it's a completely different region, so I had to sign up for their like region. But anyway, I get emails from them and they said that they're closing all of their region. I think it's like the Keystone region, I think it's called. So that's scary. It's definitely the smartest thing to do right now. But again, it's scary. Okay, next question. I have 2 questions. Do some items not sell because they are priced too low? Also, I see the, okay, hold on, let's answer the first question. Do some items not sell because they are priced too low? I think if an item is priced low and it's not selling, I don't think it's not selling because it's priced low. I think it's probably the item itself. It might just not be an item that people are looking for. So yeah, I don't know. That's a weird question. I don't think. And her other question is, also I see the love it or list it and make an offer giveaways. Have you ever won one, and is there any tips to these? I have not won any of those. I know some people that have, so I know they're legit. They're not just lying to you when you say, you know, hey, you can win $100. This is more of just a comment, but I did want to mention it in this video. Hey, it's me again. This girl bought stuff from me in the past. She says, keep up the videos. I'm responding to one of the questions that someone asked in your past video. Your listings are seen more than once during the party. I share each listing 5 to 10 times every day during each party, and before the night is over with, I will have maybe 100 notifications. So please share each listing more than once per party and you'll see a shitload of sales. I said I was gonna email Poshmark and ask them that, but I haven't got around to it yet. Basically what she's referring to is somebody asked me if it makes sense to share your listing to a party more than once, if you can even do that. And she's saying that you can. I will promise after this video, I'm gonna send an email to Poshmark. I actually have a couple of questions I need to ask them. And I will update you guys in the next video. Okay, so I just wanted to share this little graphic with you guys because I thought that it was super helpful. So this is from Fashion Without Trashin'. I think her name is Jade. She recently had drama with a swimwear company. Like, oh man, it was like crazy drama. She purchased some of this company's like swimwear pieces at Goodwill, and long story short, the pieces should have never been sent to Goodwill because they were like upcoming like new releases. So like somebody at this company, I forgot the name of the company, but somebody at this company like brought the pieces to Goodwill when they weren't supposed to. So the owner of this company tried to tell Jade, you know, you can't sell those are mine, I'm gonna sue you, like all this shit. And I think that they worked something out. I don't know, if somebody did that to me, I'd laugh at them, because like Jade bought the stuff at Goodwill, she did nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong. So it's more of like a moral thing, I think. And I think Jade, I think they worked things out. But if that was me, I would just be like, hey, especially the way that the company owner was acting, she was such a bitch. Anyway, she shared this graphic and I think it's very helpful. So it's called the Pyramid of Shares. So at the bottom, it has your closet, and it says your closet comes first. Use the biggest chunk of your sharing time on your own closet. Totally agree with that. Totally agree. And then number 2, this is interesting. Number 2, the next level up, is previous customers. Reward your customers. Turn your one-time buyers into return customers. Show them love with shares. It will remind them to come visit your closet again. Now this is just the case, obviously, if the person that bought something from you is also a seller on Poshmark. Like not everyone sells on Poshmark, you know, you just have like buyers, and then some people are buyers and sellers, some people are just sellers. So yeah, so that was interesting that came second. Number 3 is target proven buyers. Gain new buyers by sharing proven buyers listings. Find them by searching other sellers' love notes and share their customer listings. I've talked about this before. I do that. I go to people's love notes, their recent sales. I will, you know, go to the person's closet and share their stuff and follow them as well. Number 4, or the 4th line up, is new closets. Share new closets to capture the attention of new sellers and buyers. Show them where they can spend their posh earnings. Number 5 is PFFs and sharebacks. Share the love. Share your PFFs closets and others who have been sharing your closet. So I might move that actually ahead of new closets, because, you know, if someone's helping me out, if someone's sharing my stuff, I would be more apt to share their stuff back first before I share just a random person's closet, you know? And then number 6 is feeds. So whether it's your main feed or a party feed, send some shares out into the Posh universe. And this is great. Like, I think this is awesome. I would, you know, just switch maybe those 2 things. That would be the only thing I would switch. Number 4 and number 5, maybe. This is a really good graphic. I wanted to share it with you guys. I recently just came across it on Instagram. I'm giving all the credit to Jade. I will link her Poshmark closet down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. You can send me a DM on Instagram, tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.